Hey guys, so do you want to know how to get this hot pink or red hair color? Well, keep watching.
Thank God that the brothers on the rise now. Endless celebrations all in my house. Levitating now, I'm super duper fly now. London boy, but DC where I reside now.
Hey guys, so I'm back with a brand new video. Sorry, I know it's been a while since I last posted. Lockdown has been quite tough on me. My wedding got postponed. Also, I've been delaying uploading a video because, you know, at home you have to be more creative. And to be honest, I haven't been looking my best at home. On my last video, I was wearing a beanie because my roots were growing. Lockdown is so strict. You need a quarantine pass to go out to the store. So I finally got to go out the other day and buy a box of hair dye, so I got to touch up my roots, and now I can finally teach you how to do my hair color. So in this video, I'm gonna teach you my crazy color routine, as well as how to maintain it and how to style it, what makeup to pair it with. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give this a thumbs up, and follow me on Instagram for travel and lifestyle content. So to successfully get this hair color without bleach, you'll be needing a blonde hair dye. Personally, I use the one from Revlon. I'll be linking them all down below where you can get it. This one I have over here is this color 71. So to get this color, I use two from Artic Fox over here. So first we have the color Virgin Pink, and you mix it with Wrath. I'm super crazy over those colors that I actually hoard like a whole box, and it's not cheap. And if Artic Fox isn't available, I use Manic's Hot Pink that lasts for 40 washes. I'll link them all down below for you guys. Okay, so last time I colored my hair was end of February, and it's already May. So this is how it looks after a couple of months of not recoloring it. Okay, so time for step one of how I color my hair without bleach. So actually my hair is bleach all the way until here. I don't want to bleach it all the way to my root because I'm scared for it to fall down, and I'm not up for that. Okay, so what I use is the Revlon blonde hair dye. Any blonde of Revlon, it will lighten your hair. Not like this, but a pretty good ash dark blonde. Usually my hair ends up being this colorway. Can you focus? Yeah, my hair usually ends up being becoming this color. And so far I've been using this for years. I've been coloring my hair pink since I was 20, and I'm already 27. Okay, so let's open the Revlon box. It comes with 3 things, which makes everything easier to color your hair at home. We first have the cream color developer. So what you're gonna do is put the dye, this bottle, everything here, and then after you shake it and then cut the top of the bottle, the plastic cap. So it also comes with the third step, which is after color conditioner. Focus. There you go. Also, of course, in the sheet of paper, it comes with gloves, and the gloves actually work pretty well. So basically, this is like the easiest step. It just takes up the whole entire day, which is why I dread this time of the month. It's so sealed tight. You're now going to shake the bottle, and it's fine because I haven't cut the top off. Insert party music over here. And then this is how the color looks when it's already shaken. Just like how I use a silicone sponge to put on my foundation, I don't want the product to get all eaten up by the applicator. So I know it might be weird for you guys, but I use a spoon to dye my hair. So let's do it. Just get the spoon and then just color it like this. That's what I do. That's what I've been doing since I was a teenager. So now I'm gonna be leaving this on for 40 minutes. Okay, so just wash the dye out. This is how my hair ended up looking like after I used the blonde on my hair. So let's get to step 2. First part is we have to put petroleum jelly everywhere because the color dye really sticks to your skin, and I have a hard time getting out for like a few days. Like I scrub my skin, it even sticks to my furniture. So I put it all over my face, my cheeks. It's gonna stick to your cheeks, trust me. You have to put them on your ears too. My neck. I go through petroleum jelly really fast. Who knows how long it's gonna stick on me. That's why my friends make fun of me when we're on the plane. They always tell me, your neck looks red, your ears are red, and I'm like, dude, I just dyed my hair. So now maybe the most insane part of coloring my hair, you're gonna need tape and toilet paper because, like I said, it really stains your skin. Think of it as making quarantine accessories first. I know it's getting crazy. Put this here in my ear. Just tape it up just so it can stay in place while you're coloring your hair. Trust me, it will only get crazier after this. I know you are secretly judging me right now. It's quarantine fashion, you know? I now have my earrings and my necklace on. I think we have to make it a bit, we have to stretch it out like that. I know it's insane. I taped the toilet paper to my face. To get my signature hot pink color, I usually use 2 brands depending on the availability. First, it's Manic Hot Pink. As you can see here, I get the one that says amplified because this tends to stick on a lot longer, but they even have a newer version which says which lasts for 40 washes. These are the 2 colors I mix to get my signature color. I might get in my eye. Okay, now that's how the almost finished product looks like. Mix it up. There we go, we have the color. What I like about this brand is it doesn't damage your hair because it's vegan. The thing about this brand is it's vegan, so it doesn't damage your hair, so it doesn't last long on your hair either, which is why I have to color my hair every month when I'm always out traveling for pictures and for videos. That's how I maintain the hair, but because we're on lockdown, I didn't color my hair for a while, so I let it fade to baby pink, and now it's orange and who knows what color this is. Just putting it wherever I see, where I can see, because I'm using the viewfinder as my mirror. But I'm gonna go away in a while, guys, because I obviously can't do this whole segment with the viewfinder. Yeah, that's how it looks on my hair. And you're gonna want to leave it on your hair for maybe minimum 2 hours and max 4 hours. All right, so I just colored my whole hair. It went all over my arm. In between, to get it to stick, make sure you apply heat. So you're gonna get a blow dryer and heat it up every few minutes. So it has been 2 hours and it's already 10:40 p.m. I actually started coloring my hair at 3 p.m. so it really takes up the whole day and I'm already so sleepy. So I just want to get this out and show you guys the end product. Out where they run, out here. Oh god, my earring fell. Hey guys, so it's the morning. Oh my gosh, I think I finished washing my hair at almost midnight last night. So I was so sleepy, I just went to bed. So when you wash your hair right after you colored it some funky color like this, you need to use either sulfate-free shampoo. Personally, I tried experimenting with micellar shampoo. So for the sulfate-free shampoo, it doesn't really wash off as much. And personally, it is recommended actually not to use shampoo when you first color it. You're supposed to just rinse it off, but I can't tolerate like feeling sticky till my next wash. Okay, so for the sulfate-free shampoo, I use the Nature's Gate for color-treated hair. Don't worry, I'm gonna link it down below. It's pretty good. I've been using it for a couple years, but after I discovered micellar shampoo, it's just really nice. It's light on the hair, and I guess it doesn't make most of the dye come out when you wash it. My favorite for micellar shampoo from Pantene. The thing is, I make my hair color last for more than a month because I don't put too much conditioner on my hair. Even though conditioner makes your hair straight and stuff, I just think that too much product on your hair is just gonna wash everything out. As you can tell, it's not an easy process to color my hair like this, and my hair gets tangled a lot because I have really thick long hair, and when my hair gets tangled, I always use like detangler sprays for kids because I believe it's light on the head. The one I personally use is from Swamp, and the frozen one. Ooh, it smells so good. Oh my god, why did I just cough? You can't, if you want this hair color to last, I'm sorry, I mean, it's gonna sound gross, but you can't wash your hair every single day. I wash my hair like every other day, and in between I use Suave Professional's dry shampoo, but any dry shampoo would work. This is the one I use. It's also the cheapest, which is why I use it. Also, if you want to complement your hot pink or red hair color, I personally like using red eyeshadows to pair it with. And for the lipstick, you can't just pair any color with this. This is very picky, you know? I used to wear a lot like brown and stuff. It doesn't look good. Best lip colors to pair with this are lipsticks that are more in the strawberry red side. So what I have on now is the NYX Cosmetics Lingerie in the color Exotic. Another favorite mine is KYLIE Cosmetics, the color Kristen. Ironic, but it's like the best color. It looks the best on me. I just wish she makes a new formula which isn't so drying. Another lipstick that I love pairing with this is the lip paint from Tarte. I don't know, wait, is it focusing? I think it's focused now. And it's so nice. It's like a deep red. This color is... My eyes are so blurry. I really cannot read the shade. I believe it's the Cheerleader shade. So also when I'm feeling a bit lazy to do my hair and I'm out, I actually use a spray. This only lasts like with one wash or whenever you wash it. This is pretty good. It's from Be Wild. I actually use this with this image over here. I was a brunette when I colored my hair, so it really sticks on with everything. I hope you liked the video today. If you did like it, please give this a thumbs up, as well as hit the subscribe button for travel and more beauty and lifestyle videos. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I post content there daily. So see you guys in the next video.